In this video, we're going to talk about things you need to know when buying a condo in Florida. Hey everyone, this is Brandon Ingoldsby with Wolves Realty in Central Florida. Today we're going to be talking about the things that you need to know when looking for a condo in Florida. First thing you want to know when you're going to be buying a condo in Florida is what location you're looking for. Not only is the location of the building important in regards to what city, but also is it going to be beachfront, on a river, lake, bay, something else. It's really important to know what you're looking for in a unit, whether you want it to just have, say, water views, or if you want it to be direct ocean or lakefront or riverfront. Now, when taking these things about location into consideration, it's important to understand that you need to work within your budget. If you have an unlimited budget, of course, you can do whatever you want. But if there's a certain dollar figure that you need to be under, make sure that when you're talking to your real estate professional that they set certain expectations based on the amount that you're able to spend. Next thing you want to know is if you're paying cash or if you're going to finance the unit. The reason that this is important is because if you're going to be financing, it's extra important to make sure that the property is not under some type of litigation, and you want to make sure that there are a certain amount of money in the reserves, etc. Otherwise, a lot of banks aren't going to be able to lend on it. Also with condos, when you're financing, you usually need to do a little bit of a larger down payment than some of the options that you may be able to get with single family homes. Next thing you need to know is how much the maintenance fee is and what that maintenance fee includes. A lot of times when I'm helping people out buying condos, they get a little concerned if they see what they deem to be a high maintenance fee. However, you need to look at everything that is included in the maintenance fee. Does the value of what's included make sense with the dollar amount that you're going to be paying monthly? If it does, move forward. If it doesn't, it might be best to look for another building. Another important thing to know is, can you afford an assessment if one comes up? Unfortunately, when you own a condo, assessments are going to happen at some point. You know, whether it's a $500 assessment or a $20,000 assessment. Something will come up eventually, and you need to be able to afford that when and if it does. The next point kind of goes back to the financing aspect. But it's important even if you are paying cash, is making sure that you're doing your due diligence on the building and that the realtor is looking into the appropriate things to make sure that you're not walking into a bad situation. You want to make sure that you're looking at the financials of the building, seeing how much there is in reserves, and if there's any pending assessments or anything that you should know about that's coming up. The last thing I want to go over is understand that when you're living in a condo building that you are going to have to follow certain rules. Sometimes things may seem a little bit strict, but there usually are good reasons for each of the rules that they have in place. However, if that's something you don't want to deal with, it may be best to look for something like a single family home in the area. Once again, my name is Brandon Ingoldsby. I'm the broker owner at Wolves Realty in Central Florida. And of course, if you want to look at any condos, please click the link below or give me a call. All my contact information is going to be down in the description. And if you don't mind, hit that thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps me out.